Alright, so now we're going to look at displaying bivariate numerical data. So we've got a couple of ways that we can do that: scatter plots and time series plots. Alright, so scatter plot is for bivariate numerical data. How do you construct it? Alright, so you draw a horizontal scale and mark it with the appropriate values of the independent variable, and draw a vertical scale and mark it with the appropriate values of the dependent variable. Plot each point corresponding to the observations, and we describe it by commenting on the relationship between the variables. This is what you're used to back in Algebra 1. We had all these dots on it, and you had to say if it was like going positively, negatively, where there wasn't any relation, no correlation or something like that. All those things that we had talked about back in Algebra 1 with these for scatter plots. We'll look more at scatter plots later. The other type of plot is a time series plot. Alright, so this is whenever measurements are collected over time and regular intervals. It can be considered bivariate data where the y variable is the variable measured and the x variable is the time. Alright, so we construct this by drawing a horizontal scale and mark it with the appropriate values of time, and a vertical scale with the appropriate values of the observed variable. We plot each point corresponding to the observations and connect, and we describe it by commenting on any trends or patterns over the time. So we got this plot talking about the movie box office totals over 18 weeks of the summers of 2001 and 2002 in the USA Today. It wants us to know if there's any trends or patterns you see. So what I'm looking at here is in 2002, the summer started off with a lot better movie box office totals, but it tapered off near the end towards the bottom. Whereas in 2001, it started off slow, but got better near the end. So you can tell that based off the lines that we have drawn on these ones, where it's going up and down, and you're comparing those two data points together.